What's up everybody, Dees here. Do you want to know how to make the best caramel pecan cinnamon roll? Let me show you how. Let's get started. What you're gonna need for this recipe is cinnamon roll, brown sugar, some butter, some caramel, and some pecans, some heavy whipping cream, and a baking dish. So in your baking dish, you want to go ahead and put in your cinnamon rolls. Try your best to get as many as possible as you can. If you're going with the standard package, you can go with about 8. If you're going with the grands, you'll be able to get about 4 of them in there. Save the icing for later. Go ahead and pour in just a little bit of heavy cream. You're looking at probably less than an inch on the bottom of your actual baking dish. If you put too much, you'll get too soggy. So just a tad bit. And it changes depending on your baking dish. So go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons or so of butter in a bowl, and then add in your brown sugar. You want this kind of consistency, not too runny, kind of thick. And go ahead and put it right on top of your cinnamon rolls. Now I'm using some good old-fashioned caramel candy. I'm just flattening them out and I'm putting them right on top of each one. Here's a better look for you. You want to go ahead and get your chopping board out, get your pecans, and start kind of just giving them a nice chop. Depending on your taste, you may want them a little bit thicker or a little bit more refined. Put them right on top. Now I'm going to go ahead and link all of the accessories that I'm using in this video, like this amazing Ely home chopping board made of sustainable products. I'm gonna put a link on top so you guys can check out that video. And hey, I'm also gonna put a link below on how you can get this amazing air fryer. Right now I'm setting it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes on bake. And if you wanna get it really crispy, after those 30 minutes, take off the foil paper and put it back in for 5 minutes at 350. You're gonna thank me. Well, there you got it. This amazing pecan caramel sticky ooey cinnabon. It is out of this world. You gotta try it. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and listen and enjoy. Take care. This is good.